Are you tired of boring, cookie-cutter presentations that fail to captivate your audience? Introducing Monster Slides, the premium PowerPoint presentation template that will elevate your presentations to the next level and leave a lasting impression on your audience. With its sleek design and extensive range of features, Monster Slides empowers professionals, educators, and creatives to create stunning presentations that engage, inform, and inspire. Versatile design. Monster Slides offers a wide variety of slide layouts and design options to suit any presentation need. From sleek and professional to bold and creative, Monster Slides has you covered, ensuring that your presentation reflects your unique style and message. Customizable elements. Tailor your presentation to your specific needs with Monster Slides' customizable elements. Easily edit text, colors, images, and more to create a presentation that perfectly conveys your message and resonates with your audience. Animated transitions. Bring your presentation to life with dynamic animated transitions. With Monster Slides, you can add subtle animations and transitions to your slides, keeping your audience engaged and focused on your message. Infographic elements. Communicate complex information with ease using Monster Slides infographic elements. From charts and graphs to timelines and diagrams, Monster Slides offers a range of infographic options to help you visualize data and concepts effectively. Icon library. Enhance your presentation with visually appealing icons from Monster Slides' extensive icon library. Choose from thousands of high-quality icons to add visual interest and clarity to your slides, ensuring that your message is conveyed effectively. Device mockups. Showcase your digital products and designs with Monster Slides device mockups. With a variety of mockup options for smartphones, tablets, and laptops, Monster Slides makes it easy to present your work in a professional and polished manner. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with Monster Slides is smooth and hassle-free. Ready to create professional, engaging presentations that leave a lasting impression. Visit the Monster Slides website today and discover the power of premium PowerPoint templates with Monster Slides.